Bro, I swear, you put a plate on this bitch, you can drive it on.
Alright guys, as you guys can see, the car freaking drives. Today is the day. Are we actually going?
I hope so. Let's see.
We might be taking the car to the dyno today and getting it all tuned. Right now it's on like what, like a base map or something? So we gotta need to drive it. There's still a lot of little things to do. We gotta fix this wastegate piping. I wanted to cut it like that so it matches. So that looks ugly right now, but just ignore that for now. But once you trim that down, it's gonna look so sick. And then all like the little tiny shit like this, bolt down the lights all the way. But for the most part, the car drives, it runs, it shoots flames. It's about to get tuned today on the dyno. It's gonna be crazy. And then we still gotta put this little switch panel on that you guys saw us making in the beginning. So literally just a bunch of little things just to finish up the car. That shit sounds crazy. And it looks crazy. So right now Sam's trying to tune it a little bit. Right now Sam's tuning it a little bit, making sure everything runs perfect. Guys, this shit's ridiculous, bro. All the race cars out here. This is the homie RJ. This shit is fire. This shit looks so mean, bro. And of course, it has Tiffany on it, which is badass. Pretty similar setup to mine, except he has like a bottom mount turbo instead of on top like I do. So freaking loud, bro. It's not even fully tuned yet.
Inside and look for that.
This shit is the loudest car ever, bro. Guys, look how sick the switch panel came out that we made today. We got the gauges in here. Of course, the 412 Motorsport sticker. This is the switch panel. We need to put little stickers. It's gonna be like a star, ignition fan, lights, all that stuff. All right, guys, day 2 with the E46. Dyno day. We were gonna dyno the car yesterday, but then the dyno wasn't available and all this kind of stuff. So today is actually the day that we'll be taking it to the dyno. Charles is gonna do a quick little oil change, and I think we'll be good. I'm so excited to see this thing on the dyno. It's gonna be so freaking loud, and then we'll finally be able to drive it. And hopefully, Sam's saying that we might be able to take it for a test day on Sunday and drift both our cars for the first time.
Make 300 horsepower.
Imagine. So we got the car loaded up. Now we're about to head to the dyno, see how much power this car makes, dude. Sam said we're probably gonna keep it at like 6 something just to make it safe. And a lot of you guys are worried because it's my first time drifting. So I think 600 will be a good horsepower. All right, guys, we made it. A little trip to the dyno. And this shop got hella cars out here, bro. Let me show you guys these real quick before we put the car on the dyno. Some Beamers, actually a lot of BMWs. I believe it's CTSV. E46, and I do not know what motor that is, but I'm pretty sure. I think it's a V8. I don't know. I'm gonna ask Sam right now, but E36. This one's crazy. Full race car right here. Damn, bro, this shit's hard. And then look at this bad boy. Makes my E46 look skinny. I need a wide body mine, dude. Bro, that's like a drift car waiting to get built right there. That's just how mine looked, the whole shell. Woo, that shit's clean. Guys, look how good it looks. This thing's so sick. M1, I think it is. Sam said it's like an $80,000 car, and I believe it. Carl seats, cage. This front end is mean. I love that front bumper. Bro, how did I not even notice these two E46 M3s in the back? This one's literally red, just like mine. It's sick, dude. All strapped up. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be so loud in here, I swear. Alright guys, finally. That was the first pull on the dyno. I'm just gonna let the camera roll and you guys can just enjoy the sound. I'm gonna go deaf, dude. So loud. Our car already made like 400 horsepower. That was on the base map, so let's see how much more horsepower can we make. Sam said we're gonna probably keep it around like 600-700, but he said the motor's capable of doing 800-900, but that's a lot of horsepower. The tire is rubbing, unfortunately. I think the car is too low. So loud. I could only cover one ear and record with the other. So I guess Sam said the clutch is already slipping. Too much power. Might have to get a better clutch, bigger clutch that can handle more power, to be honest. Probably gonna stop at like 600, which is more than enough, to be honest. How much?
650 so far.
That's a lot. Faster than a GTR already.
Your clutch can handle it.
Already faster than the GTR.
Oh, wait a minute.
She will smoke the GTR.
All the way from here and spit it out from the top, the exhaust.
650 already. That's crazy. Alright guys. This is the fun part. It sounds crazy, dude. It literally sounds like Sam's car. Bro, what the fuck? So loud, bro. Tell me this is the craziest car ever. It's literally ridiculous, bro. I'm so glad I did it out the hood. It's been crazy. Sam's ready to take it on the street. He said he's gonna rip it up and down the street before we take it home tonight. And in person, it's so loud. I don't even think the camera's gonna pick it up. I can't wait for all you guys to see this car. This is literally my favorite car. That anti-lag shit is crazy. The flames. We gotta get a new clutch.
You learn. No, you gotta learn first.
And I gotta learn first. That's the main thing. 650-ish. Yeah, that's plenty, bro. That's good for now. like Joseph said, I need to learn how to drift for one, and then two, the clutch is starting to slip, which isn't good. So we need a bigger clutch, and I need to learn how to drive. It's more than enough. This thing will literally gap my GTR, and the car weighs nothing, bro. Shit is insane, dude.
What the fuck?
You can't tell if those guys are mad or they make it.
I have no idea.
Everyone came out. As we made it back to the shop, this thing needs a freaking car wash. All the tire is literally everywhere. Oh my god, it chewed up my tire, dude. Sam wants me to raise it, but I don't want to. We just gotta figure it out. Literally, it's perfect, bro. It sounds crazy. Finally, it's done. I know, you haven't drifted a drift car in a while. It's literally like Sam's own setup. Bro, it's so freaking loud.
So fast.
Is it fast?
Very fast.
Fast?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't know if the sound picks up on camera, but like it's literally ridiculous, bro. Ridiculous. Bro, I'm scared, bro. Should I do it? They want me to drive it, but I don't really want to drive it. I'm too scared. Guys, it's too loud. I'm telling them I don't want to drive it until we take it to the track. Because I'm scared.
Ride it slow, you're fine.
I'm scared of cops. It's fast. Bro, it's fast, dude. Oh my god. Dude, it's so scary.
It's loud. Nick.
It's really loud. Oh my god, dude. It's definitely the fastest car I've ever driven, bro. I'm literally shaking. It's just ridiculous, dude. It was fast?
It's fast.
It's finally pretty much done. It's just a bunch of little shit, but finally the car drives, it's tuned. I mean, you guys hear it, it's literally ridiculous. One of the most craziest cars that I've heard and seen. I remember when I first saw Sam's car run, maybe like a year ago, over a year ago, I told him I want to build a car just like this. And look, we finally did it. Bro, I'm shaking, you can see the camera. It's the fastest car I've ever driven. Hopefully, this weekend maybe we could take it out to drive. But real quick, shout out to 412 Motorsport. take a little Instagram clip real quick since it's dark out now. Shout out to Sam. Shout out to Joseph. Shout out to Charles for helping us. Like literally everyone part of the build. I can't wait till Sam's car is done. Maybe tomorrow I'll be on the dyno and I'll vlog that for you guys. Sam's car, he's gonna make like 1,000. Thank you, my homie.
Thank you.
Everyone, please go follow Sam. He built this entire motor, bro. Sam is a genius. Like, hear this shit. Just wait until you see his car.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.